Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage home screen widgets on iPhone 16. To manage home screen widgets, first I'm gonna show you how to remove one. To remove a widget, press and hold on it and you can click on remove stack or remove widget. Then tap on remove and now it's removed. You can also press and hold for longer to enter the edit mode on your home screen when the apps are wiggling, and you can click on minus to remove it as well. In this edit mode, you can tap on edit, add widget, and here you can add widgets. You can add widgets from suggestions here, or select an app from which you'll choose a widget. I will choose a widget from notes, and here I have different options. I can either view a folder, a small widget with folder, medium widget with folder, big widget with folder, or a certain note on small widget, quick note, or quick notes on big widget. And I'm gonna select a certain note on small widget, then place it here, and you can edit the widget parameters. To do it, click on it, and now you can choose which note to use. I'm gonna quickly create a note. And now, when I press and hold on the widget and tap on edit widget, I can choose a note. And now it's chosen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.